Welcome to Century Wire and Cable, where we've been manufacturing quality electrical products for more than 50 years. You've chosen our Pro-Lock extension cord with the industry's first molded-on locking U-ground connector. This ingenious locking device allows our extension cord to connect securely to your tools or other cords without pulling apart. This connection handles up to 80 pounds of pull pressure. No more risking safety hazards by tying your cords into knots or stressing the inner conductors. Another prominent safety feature is the continuous ground monitor. Our female connector has a green light that constantly monitors the ground connection from the extension cord through the outlet all the way back to the main power panel. As long as that green light is on, you know at a glance there is no break in the ground. This also keeps you in compliance with OSHA's assured grounding requirements. Additionally, the male plug has its own orange power check light that indicates power at the outlet. Both lights are rated for 50,000 burn hours. We also feature large molded-on connectors that won't pull apart. This benefit's going to save you time and money. Our jacket material guarantees flexibility well below freezing and is rated to 58 below zero. With bright neon colors, you'll be able to spot your cords on the job site. And with your company name printed the entire length of the cord, it will reduce the chance of loss or theft, saving your company a lot of money. No more chase and replace. Available in all contractor lengths and gauges. Cords are UL listed for safety and meet OSHA requirements for 3 conductor cord sets. Thank you for your interest in our Pro-Lock extension cord. Give us a try and you'll be 100% satisfied.